If you are using Arch or Azure-based distro and you want to run Megasync, but for the last, let's say, 2 weeks or something like that, it tells you that this library is missing. This is because Arch removed the 74 version and just upgraded it to 75. I don't know why they don't leave another version, because they had so much issue with this library in the past, because there are so many packages that are dependent on this library and not all developers just catch up right away. The fastest way how you can solve this is just to install this package with your AUR helper, and this will install lib something 74 version, and Megasync after that should work just fine. And that's all.